How to use file sharing on Delem 60S series. Step 1. Unlock first 25789. Go to the Machine column. Select Machine Parameters, Network Settings. Enable Network. Finish. Restart. Next, plug in the network cable. Open Network Settings. Configure Network. Network Settings. Start 196.168.0.100. Open Network Settings. Right-click. Open Ethernet. Properties. IPv4. Configure network 196.168.0.101. OK. We need to diagnose if the network is connected. Type uppercase CMD. Command prompt. Type lowercase ping. Space. Enter the IP address 196.168.0.100. Because it is set to 100 on the system. Press Enter. If this screen appears, it means it is connected. Then close it. Open this PC. Computer. Network drive. Select Local Share. Add. You can enter any name like ADHE. Be sure to select the correct channel. Click once and this will appear. This is shared. Toolings. This is shared files. We select shared files. Then select Confirm. Select Share. Follow the prompts below. First, enter 2 backslashes. Enter the IP address 196.168.0.100. Then enter another backslash. Select. You must select Share here. Only after sharing can you proceed. Finish. Each one. Now it is connected. Finish product. Let's delete it first. Then insert the dongle. Let's re-edit a product. Set up the tooling. Move it directly to Send Product. Find this USB drive. Refresh the interface. And that's it.